Mine needs work. Mine needs work. Mine needs work. Not mine. Secret project being videoed. Not mine. And one of these are next. Eeny, meeny, miny, this one. The Fender. Chinese made. CD320AS. Made in accordance to the specifications of Fender Musical Instruments Company of USA. Manufactured in China. And naturally we start at the same place we always start. That is to check the neck relief. And we gotta straighten that out just a hair. So we gotta figure out what size hex we need for that. Oh, that's right there too, and I would bet that that's a 4mm. Oh, and it's not even engaged. Well, we got the neck where we like it, but it's a bit buzzy. My action at the first fret should be about 18 to 20 thou, and this is a 10 thou, and that's having a hard time getting under there. We have got a nut cut wrong. We need almost double that. Yeah, we need about a 10 thou shim in there. So we got to raise the nut. Okay. In order to shim this, oh, look at that. I didn't even have to knock it off at all. It just came right off. I thought I was going to have to tap it. No tapping needed. I'm going to have to clean that up just a touch. I went and hand planed a little piece of maple to about the thickness I wanted, and that just sneaks in under there nicely. Just perfect. And it's just dry fit right now. So now we can glue our little shim in, and it's a piece of maple. And I have cut it with my hand plane actually. I just used my calipers and kept adjusting my plane until I got 10 thou. We're pretty close. Off of it. Oh! So there's my little maple shim. dot of glue on it. It might be easier with my finger. And we're not going to glue the nut in right yet, but we are going to use it to clamp it in place. See if we can get that clamped in there nice with the strings. A little bit of tension on it. I've had some lunch, took the dog for a walk. It's been well over an hour, probably a couple hours. I'm gonna get some new strings on this thing. Things like that have got to be tightened up too. But for the nut, I'm just going to put a couple of little drops of wood glue on there and glue it in there. The shim looks pretty good. And you don't need a lot of glue on there. Just enough to hold it in place when the strings are off of it. That's all. Okay, we've got the fretboard all cleaned up, and the frets cleaned and oiled and everything tightened up. Time for some, what are these? EG16 phosphor bronze D'Addario. We'll get them put on and get her tuned up and see what it looks like. One passed, a kink, first one goes under, flip it up, and you usually get about 2.5 under. It's not fretting out anymore. What is my string height? Oh, barely 4/64. Oh, it's nice and low. 3/64. Oh, it's really low. But it's not fretting out anywhere. All the ones you can reach work. Yeah, it's right in there. Right in there. Almost perfect. Let's see. It's been a lot of years since I actually played anything. Okay, little Fender Acoustic for you. Chinese made, needed a little bit of work. Give her a rest overnight, check it all back out, and we'll get her back to its owner. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.